I'd like to think this is how Paul Bunyan lived in this wood log cabin. Oh, sorry. Wrong channel. I'm just kidding. So welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am wearing my VMP shirt today, which can only mean one thing. I'm going to VMP. So I need to go to VMP because I lost a fuel pump during one of the dyno pulls. They have a fuel pump in stock. So I'm gonna go to VMP, drop my fuel tank, replace the pump, and hopefully maybe go data log the car. I think Andrew might be going, but I'm not sure. I haven't heard back from him yet, but either way, I need to go. So I have been running late because I've been doing other stuff. For example, putting in this sweet bathroom vanity. And there's some of the old one left. And there's all the stuff that's underneath it. And tools. So this house is a huge project, which is why I don't make as many videos as I'd like, because sometimes I'm working on this house. So we have been doing a ton of work, and luckily it's really starting to show. But like stuff like this, I have a new set of doors to replace that one. I also have 2 more downstairs to replace this one and that one. So these things are what kind of keep me back from doing all that I want. Not to mention I'm in school and I work, but neither here nor there. Need to go to the Foxbody, need to hopefully get it running, make sure the cooling system is burped, it's not getting warm, and then if everything goes as planned, we'll go rip it, and hopefully it'll definitely feel pretty quick because we'll be making a lot more power. So let's get on the road and get to VMP. Yay, we made it. Now I'm just trying to find out where my poor little car is parked. So sad. Oh, there she is. Right next to where the dyno would be. Oh, man. So sad. Just gonna park right next to it. Cool. So sad. It's the first time I've seen them next to each other, actually. Definitely a different combo. So, getting ready to jack this thing up. Gonna drop the tank. So what I've done is I've checked just to make sure that the one pump wouldn't just magically fix itself. When the key's on and the one fuse is in, you can hear the pump running, but if you take the fuse out and then put the other fuse back in the other pump and even switch the fuse, the other pump doesn't work. So unfortunately, it means I do still have to drop the tank. And this kit from Lethal is really nice, and it actually has there's like a little fusible links here, and I thought maybe one of them had broke, but I don't think that's the case. They feel like they're intact. So I'm gonna drop this tank, see what the pump looks like, get it out, jump it with power just to make sure it's not working, and then replace it since they have some in stock here at VMP. I can't tell you how not excited I am about this, because anyone that lives in Florida or has been to Florida, especially in the middle of summer like it is right now, I think it's like 95 degrees out. Luckily, I am in the shade, but it's so humid. I mean, my shirt, you can't tell, but it's like sticky. So let's go ahead and get this done and see what we find. It's that new economical swap. We're gonna Flintstone it. Yay, it's out. With a little bit of E85 leaking all over the place. Dun, 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 dun. Just really happy I didn't have to pull the exhaust. So we found the pesky rascal. Unfortunately, the pump does work. However, if this wire, this power wire would wiggle up or down, it would cause the pump to stop working. So it's kind of an intermittent issue. But luckily, thanks to our buddies at VMP, we have a brand new 465 pump. So we're gonna go ahead and put this new one in the hat, get it back in the car, get it buttoned up. Why'd you betray me? Piece of junk. Let's go get this thing back together. It is super hot. Typical Florida weather. This is my workspace for the day. Woo. See, this is so reliable. Not reliable. So we confirmed it works, cycled the key, they came on. It's flowing like crazy. Ancient rivers of Babylon. But that's the easy part. Now what we have to do, by we I mean me, Andrew unfortunately had to leave, so I'm by myself. I'm gonna put the fuel hat back in, bolt it back up, get the tank back in the car, and then hopefully see if it'll fire up. I think my battery is so shot that I don't think it's really gonna actually fire, but who knows, maybe it will. And yeah, then I'll be done for the day. The pump was one of the things I wanted to get done because it was a crucial component in having the car run good. So now that this is done, I need to go get a new battery and then a new radiator cap. And I think the battery is still under warranty, so I might be covered on that. So hopefully we get that for free. So let's go ahead and get this thing back up. Yay, got her all back together. All buttoned up. But I'm kind of out of time for the day and I'm kind of spent. It was like 90 some degrees outside today, super humid. Working out here on this thing just kind of drained me. So next week, the guy from DMR Performance, Ryan Baker, he's gonna be coming out here and doing some wiring and stuff on it. So I think I'll probably take care of the battery next week and then go ahead and get the radiator cap then. And other than that, I mean, hopefully we get it good enough to where it goes back on the dyno and makes some power. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate the views. Please like, share, and consider subscribing. Check out VMP if you haven't already. This place is awesome. They definitely take care of you if you got a Mustang for sure. All right, see you next time. Peace.